Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Teddy, back here, working on another programming assignment. This one is for CEN-4025C. This is the Software Development 2 class. And today I was tasked with I created this program last night, but I am doing the recording today. I was a little too tired afterwards, but anyways, so this app is just a simple to-do a program. Basically, it allows you to add things to your to-do list. It allows you to delete things from your to-do list, and then it allows you to view everything to do in your to-do list. Before we get started on running the program to show you everything works, all the ins and outs and any issues that I had over it, I just want to go over the code real quick. So I did break up the code into three separate things. We have the to-do app itself, which handles the overall app itself and how it should function. And as you can see here, we're going to have a main application loop. This way, regardless of what the inputs are, it always loops back to the main menu, where the user will see the option to choose between four options. Those being, number one is to add an item to the to-do list, 2 is to delete, 3 is to view, and then 4 is to exit out of the system itself, in which it displays a waving emoji and saying exit application, goodbye. If you did put something in there that was an incorrect input, we also want to make sure that we're putting in invalid choice. And as you can see here, this is basically sort of what the menu would look like. This is our scanner that allows us to scan for any items that were added to the to-do list. These are just functions that actually allow these to do what they need to do. The next one we have here is the to-do item. This allows the to-do app to understand what an item is, and it gives it a little description about it. AKA, it's just basically letting the system know what the to-do item is. And then we have another one, and this is our to-do list class. Specifically, it's the list that holds all the information in it, and it adds a parameter description, as well as item number, and I believe down here it'd be get items, and this is when it pulls in the full list here. Alright, so let's go ahead into our main application here, and we're going to go ahead and compile it, see if it runs correctly. It ran perfectly last night. Let's hope that rings true right now. Perfect. And as you can see here, it does do the full list. So we're going to go walk through, and I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the functionalities of it. First, let's go and add a few items to the add to-do list. Okay, so we're just going to put in our choice 1 here. And let's say take the dog out. 2 p.m. Don't mind my horrible typing. Take the dog out 2 p.m. and again at 6 p.m. And as you can see, it added that item there by successfully letting us know that here. We're going to go ahead and add a few more things in here. Just going to add another one. Let's see. Give the cat their medicine at 4 p.m. Let's do it again. Finish this programming assignment 1. Finish my other software development program or class homework. Alright. So now, as you can see here, just by scrolling up here, we have take the dog out, we've got the give the cats their medicine, we've got finish this programming assignment, and then we've got finish my other software development assignment. Okay, so now we have 4 things in our list, and as to just check, we're going to go ahead and test out our next function, which is the view all to-do items list. And as you can see, I put in 4 things to my to-do list. Again, take out the dog, give cat their medicine, finish this programming assignment, and finish my other software development assignments. And as you can see by viewing the list, which is option 3 here, you can see all 4 of those things as well. Let's go ahead and add a 5th one. So now you can see that the updates to it did in fact go through. Okay, so let's say meet Toby. Let's see how to spell his name. I don't want to do him injustice. Toby McGuire. M-A-Guire. Okay. Meet Toby McGuire at set of his next movie. I don't know. I'm just obsessed with him as Spider-Man. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our view all items to-do list here. And we're going to see Toby Maguire has been added to our to-do list here. So as you can see, our view items, our add items, the functions, they're both working properly. But let's go ahead and test out our final 2 ones. We're going to go ahead and delete all of the ones that we just created. And then after that, we're going to show that the program successfully exits. So let's go ahead and go into 2. And let's say we want to get rid of the Toby Maguire one because he canceled or something. Now we're going to go back in our view list. As you can see, Toby Maguire is now gone. And as a little extra, when I set the items to be deleted, I wanted to specify that they are in fact removing a specific one, and it does let you know which one it is. Now, a more advanced function I could add to this would be confirmations on anything that they try to delete. You know, just putting in, making sure that it is in fact that item that they wanted to delete. But since this is supposed to be a simple one, I figured it was just okay not to have that functionality in it. But as you can see here, it does look like the delete function is working. So let's go ahead and just delete 2 more. Let's go ahead and delete number 3 because I'm about to finish this assignment. And then we'll go back in. And then let's say I finished my other homework assignment. Now granted, last time when I was when we deleted finish this programming assignment, it was number 3 on the list, okay? Now, since it is deleted, it has moved finish my other software development class homework up to the number 3 spot. I did make sure to code this in. The reason why is because it was giving me an error in which it would still say that, you know, this one, once it was its predecessor was deleted here, it would keep that as 4 on the list here, so it'd be like 1, 2, 4. It didn't consecutively list it, so I had to go in and specify specifically that once it removes an item from the list, it should move the rest of the list up. Okay, so we got our last one to delete here. And then we're going to go to view our list one more time. And as you can see, after removing meeting Toby Maguire, after finishing this program assignment and finishing my other software development homework, you can see now we only have 2 items left in our list here. So at this time, I do believe it is functioning as, you know, expected. So let's go ahead and test out our final functionality, which is our exit functionality. And as you can see, it gives us our little waving. It says exiting the application, goodbye. And then we finish with an exit code 0, which lets us know that our program successfully closed itself. Anywho, yeah, that is my simple to-do list application. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.